Sustainable farming stands as a beacon of hope in our quest for a balanced and thriving planet. As the global population continues to expand, the pressures on agriculture intensify. Sustainable farming practices offer a solution that not only addresses the need for food production but also prioritizes environmental health, social equity, and long-term viability. This video delves into the importance of sustainable farming and its impact on food security, biodiversity, and the well-being of both present and future generations. Sustainable farming, often referred to as regenerative or agroecological farming, encompasses a range of practices that seek to minimize the negative impact of agriculture on ecosystems while maximizing the benefits it provides. These practices prioritize soil health, water conservation, biodiversity, and community engagement. By integrating traditional wisdom and modern technology, sustainable farming creates a harmonious relationship between humans and the land. One of the pillars of sustainable farming is soil conservation and improvement. Practices like cover cropping, crop rotation, and minimal tillage reduce soil erosion, enhance soil structure, and promote the retention of nutrients. Healthy soil not only supports plant growth but also sequesters carbon, mitigating the impacts of climate change. Biodiversity plays a critical role in sustainable farming. Diverse ecosystems foster natural pest control, pollination, and nutrient cycling. Agroforestry, intercropping, and the integration of native plants all contribute to creating a balanced and resilient agricultural system. Preserving and promoting biodiversity in and around farmlands supports both the local ecosystem and the broader environment. Water conservation is another hallmark of sustainable farming. Efficient irrigation systems, rainwater harvesting, and water-efficient crops minimize the strain on water resources. By reducing water waste, sustainable farming practices contribute to the conservation of this precious and finite resource. Sustainable farming's impact extends beyond the environment, touching on social and economic dimensions. Family farmers often benefit from increased yields and reduced input costs, enhancing their livelihoods and strengthening local economies. Moreover, sustainable farming practices emphasize community engagement, knowledge sharing, and cooperation, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility among farmers. Perhaps one of the most pressing global challenges addressed by sustainable farming is food security. By optimizing the use of resources and promoting resilient ecosystems, sustainable farming helps ensure a stable supply of nutritious food for present and future generations. Localized food production reduces dependence on long-distance transportation, lowering carbon emissions and enhancing food sovereignty. Efforts to promote sustainable farming are gaining momentum worldwide. Governments, NGOs, and international organizations are advocating for policies that incentivize and support regenerative agriculture. Farmers' markets, community-supported agriculture, CSA, programs, and farm-to-table initiatives bridge the gap between consumers and producers, fostering a deeper understanding of the importance of sustainable farming. In conclusion, sustainable farming is a holistic approach that addresses multiple challenges facing our planet, from food security to climate change mitigation. By nurturing the land, preserving biodiversity, and fostering resilient ecosystems, sustainable farming strikes a harmonious balance between human needs and the well-being of the environment. Embracing these practices not only safeguards our planet's future but also honors the delicate interplay between humans and nature. As we forge ahead, the path of sustainable farming guides us toward a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.